for creating time to come for this very important event in the PCEA calendar, the General Assembly and the inauguration of the moderator. Your Excellency, when the church leadership sent me to you and I came and communicated the request from the church leadership, without hesitation, you directed that the matter be put in your diary, and you said you will be here and you will keep time, and for sure you are here at 10 a.m. Na inaonekana umeelewa sisi ni watu ya mtaratara. Sababu hiyo kuweka masaa ni mambo muhimu sana katika kanisa hili. Your Excellency, let me also in a very special way thank you for the enormous contribution that you have made in your leadership to this church. Indeed, you have been to most of our churches across the country, where you have not only attended service, but participated in development activities, purchasing of buses, building sanctuaries, and supporting our church in a very strong manner. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate your enormous contribution to this church. And now that you did that before you became president, now that you are president and you have a bigger mandate, a bit large facilitation, please continue supporting our church. And you are always welcome to this church at any one time. Your Excellency, most of our members, indeed, the greatest percentage, we prayed for you. And it's true, we also turned up early to cast a vote in your favor. And I want to say before my church that decision we made, we have no regret, because in a record 1.5 years, despite the fact that you found many challenges in this country, you have turned around our economy, and the economy has started showing great signs of recovery. The shilling has gained strength against the dollar. Fuel prices are coming down. Cost of unga has come down. And we are making significant progress. Ours as a church is to continue praying for you, is to continue supporting you. And